A dry throat can be really irritating. It can disturb your sleep at night, even make it difficult to work during the daytime. A dry, scratchy throat is a common problem that is usually caused by inflammation of the pharynx, a tube that index in your back of nose and mouth, the esophagus that lead to the stomach. So here are some home remedies to dry throat. Number 1 is salt water gargle. The simplest way to effectively deal with the dry throat is gargling with salt water. Salt has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties that help clear any microbial infection by restricting its growth. Also, the warm salty water is soothing on your throat. So you have to add half a tablespoon of salt to 1 cup of lukewarm water. Stir it well to dissolve the salt. Gargle with this solution for a few seconds, then spit it out. Repeat the regular intervals until you get relief from your dry throat. Number 2 is honey. Honey can relieve the symptoms of dry throat due to its moisturizing and humidificating properties. It also contains antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antiseptic properties that fight against the microbes that cause infection and lead to dry throat. Honey is also good for your immunity. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey into a cup of warm water, stir it well, and drink it 2 or 3 times a day. Alternatively, mix 1 tablespoon each of honey and lemon juice into a cup of lukewarm water. Sip the mixture slowly, drink this a few times a day. So number 3 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be diluted for use as a gargle or added to a hot tea or a glass of water to help ban infection and alkalize the body. Plus, apple cider vinegar boosts the immune system. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a 1 cup of warm water. Stir well and drink it twice a daily. Get rid of throat dryness.